the collaboration between stakeholders, particularly research and healthcare professionals, are very important to make sure at least for three things. The first one is to make sure that this innovation is integrated in a responsible manner, in a way that we have the evidence to back this innovation. So not allowed only the innovation to come earlier in the system. This is the first part. And the second part is to make sure that these innovations are equitable. So in a way that they are benefiting all the segments of the population and are not creating or exacerbating social inequalities in health, which is an important topic we have to keep in personalized medicine. And the last part is to make sure that they are affordable, right? So we have in the constrained healthcare system, so we need to make sure that this innovation is integrated at a fairer price and at an affordable price for the healthcare system. So this is the three main things I can see how collaboration between stakeholders are important.